Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've had a good weekend. So today we've got this 2016 VW Caravelle that's in for some headlights, a reversing camera and the very popular Alpine Halo 11. So we'll catch up with you a bit. Catch up with you a bit. What the hell was that? Catch up with you a bit. Right, starting at the back of the vehicle. Sorry it's a bit grubby, we've not had time to clean it as well, but the boys have been working hard to fit our very popular little neat black wedge camera. The back of the T6 tailgate will then get drilled and the camera gets fitted in and then sealed with some hot glue in there as well to stop any water ingress. Cabling gets run up through into the top grommet and all the way along to the front of the vehicle. Because it's a Caravelle and not a pop top, it makes it a little bit easier, which also makes the price a little bit cheaper as well. Now we are going to go to the front of the vehicle, show you the headlights. So as per usual with all of our headlight installations, front bumper comes off and the very substandard Volkswagen T6 factory headlights get removed and replaced with these. There are a couple of different manufacturers. This is a particular popular one, and you've got LED DRLs, which are daytime running lights. You've then also got the H7 and the H1 lamps or bulbs replaced. And this particular one on the H7, which are your normal dipped beam, the projectors have now got a nice LED headlight or a headlight, an LED bulb behind the scenes, which is going to increase the light output on the road significantly. So you've gone from driving with yellow horrible bulbs that don't really do much to a lovely clean white image. The bulb in the main beam, and that's for driving down your country roads or for flashing someone to let them out, is the H1, and that's the Osram night breaker. Again, that just adds a little bit of a light as well. So all part of our process, which you'll see during the video. Bumper goes back on, headlights get fixed in with all of their original factory bolts and then plugged in, and then we also do some coding on the Volkswagen so that when you use dipped beam and main beam, both of them stay on at the same time. Now we're going to jump inside the vehicle and show you the Alpine Halo 11. Okay, right, in the front of the Caravelle, it's pretty well specced out and got the comfort dash, and of course the Caravelle's got the much nicer actually top dash with all the gloss, Titan black gloss system. Got your cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, but now we've got the Alpine Halo 11. Now, if you haven't watched any of our videos before or to date, the Alpine Halo 11 is an 11-inch screen. It's a whopper. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, loads of features, and we've done loads of in-depth videos on the specification of these things, but it actually sits on the dashboard in here really nicely. You've even got the ability to tip the screen back. You've got a cubby hole here, and you don't suffer from any of the sun glare that you do get on a lot of the Volkswagen Transporter dashboards. I just popped the key in. Now, rather than running through all of the settings, you get multifunction steering wheel control. There you go, you've just seen the climate control. If you've got digital climate control in your vehicle, you're going to get on-screen display, but only if you've got that already. Strangely, this vehicle hasn't got parking sensors. Ordinarily I would put it into reverse and we'd get the parking sensor display, but the boys have fitted a reversing camera. So up on the screen here, we've got the reversing camera with the Alpine guidelines, and what you can do is you can turn the guides off like so, and just have a full screen image of what's behind you. Nice quality camera on an 11-inch HD screen, can't really go wrong on that. And you could add another front camera or side camera if you wanted to, which is quite good. You could even add an interior camera if you've got young children and want to keep an eye on them whilst you're driving or along the motorway. So that's the reverse camera as well, already been routed through the vehicle, and FM, DAB, Android Auto, which is wired, wireless Apple CarPlay, dual USB, Class D internal amplifier, dedicated Tidal app, and even now this has got the new software on it for the new Alpine Navi stick, which we'll be doing a video for at some point this week actually, because this is a brand new product. We're going to do some pros and cons of that and how quickly it boots up and all the other features. Right, so this is 2016 VW Caravelle, Alpine Halo 11, headlights, reversing camera. Don't forget to follow us on socials. Anything you want from us in terms of product prices, all on our website, which is advanced-incar.co.uk. And as usual, have a good day. Thanks for watching.